Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Today is going to be a lash video. I'm going to be showing you how I make my affordable aftercare kits. These aftercare kits I give to my clients for free all the time. But yeah, so let's start off with cleaning our workspace. You always want to make sure that your workspace is clean. If you want to wear gloves, you can. I wash my hands, so I don't necessarily need to wear gloves. Here, you can argue with your mama about it. Washing your hands are perfectly fine. I'm not actually touching any product, and all of my product is sanitized. You want to make sure that you boil your bottles also as soon as you get them. I like to boil them as soon as I get them. It's just easier to boil as soon as I get them, so I don't have to remind myself to do it right before I'm doing my aftercare kits. You also could simply just use barbicide and water, but I just prefer to do it the old way, the old style. But yeah. So you're going to be seeing me add my lash concentrate shampoo into the bottles, and then I'll take my water bottle, my rinsing water bottle, and I'll go ahead and fill up each bottle with it. Also, I just add these little cutesy eyelash stickers to my lash shampoos. I do give these for free, so I did not splurge on buying an actual lash label. Of course, if you're selling these products, then you need to include the ingredients and an expiration date, but I'm not selling these products. My clients are free to use anything they want to use. This is just what I offer them for free if they want it. I would say altogether it cost me roughly around $2.50 to make each lash shampoo bottle. This is also another budget-friendly tip. You can use your paper straws as covers for your lash mascara ones. So I'll just take a paper straw and I'll cut it up into smaller pieces, and then I'll use those as covers for my mascara ones. So in my kits, I include my business cards, Eyelash Aftercare cards, the mascara ones, a shampoo if needed, and also a lash cleansing brush. You can buy these cleansing brushes in 30 packs for like $8 to $9 on Amazon. Very affordable. So they're roughly around 33 cents each. Very affordable. And always use your empty lash trays as aftercare products, like to get for aftercare. So for my just tool containers, I'll just use an old lash container and I'll put my business card, aftercare card, and then a cleansing brush and some stickers. I like to include stickers just as a little thank you and this is not, they're very cute or whatever. And then 2 mascara wands, and that'll be it for this little kit in case your client doesn't need any shampoo but she wants to re-up on her tools. And then for the clients who need a shampoo, I'll put in a shampoo, my business card, a lash care card, mascara wands, and of course the cleansing brush, and we have our full lash care kit. So I would say that the mini lash care just toolkits, they probably cost me literally like maybe 90 cents, less than $1 when you actually put everything together, because one, you're reusing and recycling your old lash trays. The stickers I bought for like $1.99 for a pack of 50 on AliExpress. Of course the mascara one is like 10 cents each, and then you have your 33-cent lash cleansing brush. And then each aftercare kit probably costs me around $3.50 to make for my clients. It's not a huge expense at all. Of course I could sell it, but I just prefer to give them to my clients as a little gift. And it is also very it keeps me knowing that they have the products to cleanse them. But that is it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe what you guys would like to see next. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.